Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video is very interested today design is cookies logo design. So let's get. Firstly, I open Illustrator. I take my size and you take your size. Then I take a shape. And it needs some radius it. And I take it for red color. Then I take this copy. It need convert to path. Again it copy. Then I take a circle. And again copy. Again I take a circle shape and it's take color navy blue color. And then circle shape many copy. Okay, it is perfect. Then I second shape for color selection. And then it's okay. And then I take a text. And then choose font selection. This font is perfect. Then I second text font selection. And this text copy. And I take a comma. It's some rotate. Then I and S connection it. Okay, it is perfect. Then I customize text. It's some rotate. And then other side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. Then it's some twacked. Now it need remove. It's okay. Now I take it logo position. Then I some twacked it. It's okay. Then it stroke it. And then stroke color for white. Now this text distance. Okay, it is very perfect. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Okay.